update. The Royal Jelly representative will call tomorrow.
Why are you phoning? Where are you?
In my room. Doing my filing. I'm not hiding from you.
You're not hiding from me.
Of course not. Where did you get that idea? If you impress the Jelly representative, they'll approve you for the Royal Jelly Blobs at Jellysania.
You're saying jelly a lot. Wait. You mean audition? You are hiding from me.
It's a great opportunity. And it's the rules.
Me? Nova Jones, audition for jelly? You're deliberately avoiding being here so you can't see my angry but breathtaking showbiz face.
No, just... Oh, hang on. Speaker not working.
But I am scared of jelly. There's no way I can do the audition or Jellysania. But you're Nova Jones. You should be scared of anything. Well, exactly, Wait, what, Blob? Hi. I'm Avone. As in, Nova spelt backwards. A-V-O-N. Avon. It's Avone. The Space Fair mirror. Careful. You don't want to get sucked into the mirror world. I'm joking. That's not possible. So, are you really, really famous here or what? I usually had about 10 more reelies. Are you not famous? No, I'm your reflection. Some stuff the same, some totally opposite. Opposite how? Like, what number am I thinking of? One. Because why would you think of any number that isn't number one? Salad. Terrible or tasty? Totally tasty. What's your best selfie face? What's your fave thing to do when bored? Shout my sister's name really loud? Same. Johnnicky. Rubbish or radical? Okay, enough of that. I think it's time these twinnies had some fun.
The red stick is indexed to the red folder. The blue stick is indexed to the blue folder. The purple stick is indexed to the secondary filing system.
Hey, McLaren.
Going Nova.
Hey, McLaren.
Coming Nova. Wait, what?
McLaren, I demand attention.
Nova. What?
I know. How am I doing it? Is it a mystical diva ability powered by my musical success?
No, there are two of you. Probably from that silly science fiction mirror you won at the Space Fair.
Aww.
Still, well done. On a day everyone's talking about fears, you've managed to create my biggest nightmare. 2 Novas.
Look at Nova and Avon. It's just like dancing in the mirror.
My dome's going down a tree. The tub's still full. I can make pizzas all night long.
Your celeb life is so fun. I'd love to do what you do. I wish you could. The thought of performing at Jellysania gives me the major wobbles.
Okay, listen up, party people. Nova's got her big audition tomorrow, so Nova, don't stay up late. Avon, don't keep Nova up late. Captain... Oh, you're already asleep.
The tea bags. Where's the tea bags?
And Sid, watch the never-ending dough. The last thing I want to wake up to is... Sid! I told you so. Sid, I asked you for one thing. job to keep the dome under control.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Nova, Avone, wake up! It's Nova's virtual audition this morning.
You need to do a wish call from here in half an hour.
Clean this up fast. Nova, go and get dressed for your audition. Avone, bed!
Dressatic, change my outfit. No, times a million. Retro. I need retro fashion. Old and classic. I wore this 3 minutes ago.
What about this one?
No, keep looking. God, the Dressatic is being so slow. I want an outfit that screams yesterday. Now!
Well, that is what you wore yesterday.
It's being so slow.
Not to worry, the battery just needs changing.
Hurry up. Honest to God, nobody understands why costume is so important. Nobody.
I think we're all...
Nobody. Retro outfit. No. Not this. Anything but this.
Oh, gosh. Nova, that's one of your costumes from when you were...
Don't say another word.
I haven't seen you in that outfit since.
Silence.
Oh, what's going on? Is it a game? Nova, you're so sensitive about...
I'm not sensitive about the time we never talk about. I don't even remember the time we never talk about. Why is everyone going on about the time we never talk about?
Let's not talk about it.
Oh, boy. Wait, why do people say oh, boy? Why don't they say oh, girl? Ooh, you found Nova's Don't Notice Me coat. A what?
Another thing normalites don't understand.
You know how sometimes we need to sneak Nova past her fans without them seeing her?
When I wear the Don't Notice Me coat, the fabric technodoodles make it so they don't notice me.
Sid, you want to help back here? It's quite a long way to bend down. Where's Sid?
I'm right here.
Sydney!
He can't see or hear me?
Nobody can. Well, I can. It's my coat.
Wow! Amazing! He's waving his hands in front of my face, isn't he?
Ovs blob. Get me out of this costume. Is my machine ready yet?
Needs a smaller battery. Give me 20 minutes.
Plug it in. I need my new outfit.
But a battery this big is way too much power for the Dressamatic.
Plug it in.
No, but maybe you shouldn't.
The most powerful Dressamatic in the universe at last. Time for the most retro vibes ever.
Nova, stop!
Dressamatic, take me back. Make me super retro. Nova, don't! What the honk? Whoa, this is just how my sweet used to look. I think have we gone back in time?
Super retro?
Back in time to when?
This is the time we never talk about.
Why don't we talk about it?
I don't want to talk about that.
Why not? What's so...
Nova, come on, it's rehearsal time. Positions. Ready. I'm Gravity Jane.
I'm Photon Faye. And I'm Nova Jones.
And together we are... Three's the Charm.
Three's the charm.
Oh, girl.
Nova's on the move.
Call ready.
Hang on, I'll find my keys.
You gonna sing?
Ovs blob. Cause we're the fashionistas, yeah, my diva sisters got that walk, talk, we do it all, we got what you need. That was amazing! We're amazing.
Photon Faye, you were outstanding. Nova Jones, you were in sitting, which is the opposite of outstanding.
That was great. You're all amazing.
Hello? Hey! Anyone hear me?
Rolf, things to doodle-do. Nova, don't you think you need to go to the gym?
Obviously not. I'm perfection.
Ooh, I'm perfection. Might want to tell your leg flexibility. It didn't get the text.
Hey, that was rude! He totally ignored me.
You're wearing the Don't Notice Me coat. They do totally ignore normal lights, though. I can't believe I'm here. My old life, my old bed.
Where's your old Nova? Are we gonna meet your younger self?
Based on the outfits, the fashions. This was the week I was on my climbing holiday. Which means my legs are plenty flexible, thank you. My old computer. I used to write all my songs on this. Takes ages to turn on.
What about McLaren? Was she the manager for Three's the Charm?
Not exactly.
The host is a talent-sucking alien. He sucked our abilities.
Captain was right. The host really does suck.
And he's after everyone on board. He's sucking the talent out of everyone.
He can't become the universe's biggest star. That's my thing.
He's not going to stop rampaging until he gets what he wants.
He got it from you, Nova. So, think up a brilliant, thinky idea. It's what you do.
It's what I did. We might as well ask Sid to think up a plan.
On it.
Sid doesn't have your... Well, wait a minute.
Have you realised it yet?
Oh, no.
There it is.
It's not just work. You do have talents. Everyone has talents.
Well, at least the captain's safely locked in the cockpit.
I got it. If we get the host to visit the toilet, we can eject him out into space, just like somebody, not me, accidentally did to Kid Songwriter the other day.
And how do you propose we make him visit the toilet?
The captain will know. He's always taking trips to the toilet. Really long ones. We'll ask him.
Cockpit lock override.
In deep trouble, 3 and 5.
It's over, Captain.
Nah, that doesn't fit. Are you serious?
Nova Jones. I do hope you've enjoyed your 15 minutes of fame, because now it's my turn to be the star.
Oh, yeah? Next stop, Space Jail. Brace yourself!
We're bracing.
You see, I have all your talents, including yours, for piloting this ship.
Yes, I knew I had a talent for driving a spaceship.
So that means Sid's the only one who's still got his talent.
So, Sid, we lower him into a toilet?
Oh, yes, I like that idea.
Nova Jones's ideas, man. I can't wait to see your talent and take it away.
He said his catchphrase. Brilliant.
The final piece falls into place. Now nothing can stop me from... Hold on a second, are those buttons? Oh, wow, twinkly. Look at them all. I love buttons. Oh, wow, check out your hair. It's fantastic. I love it. Where'd you get it done? It's just completely awesome.
What's going on?
He must have sucked up Sid's talent for complete enthusiasm.
It's overwhelmed everything.
So, if the host has Sid's enthusiasm,
Then Sid will be immune from distractions.
And he'll finally be able to focus.
Affirmative, Captain. Incredible. So this is what it's like to experience complete concentration. Enlightening.
Yeah! Ha ha! As if that could hold me back.
Monitors, display funny kitties.
Oh! Cute little kittens! I love little guys, they're so cute. Oh, I wish you could come home with me. Oh, look at you! I'm gonna call you Felipe. I love you, Felipe. Prepare to be voted off. It's elimination time.
Music!
Oh, I like this one.
Nova, sing along.
I can make the moves. I can hit the notes. I can...
Digit, fist bump.
Dance emergency in progress.
Uh-oh. Dance emergency!
The rhythm's got to me.
McLaren, do you still have that 12-colored laser pointer you were desperate to use earlier?
This one?
Exactly. Now, make sure it's turned off and don't point it at anything.
Yes, sir. I just need to flip the safety switch. Oh, sorry, I messed up.
Precisely as calculated. Great work, McLaren.
Oh, look at that one. Oh, I got you. Oh, you got away. No, please. Please stop. It's too much. But I want to. No, I must. Oh, but these colors, they're just so. Help me, please make it stop. Just take it away, please. I can't focus on anything. All I can think about is glitter and unicorns and funny cat videos and novelty hot water bottles.
Ah, deep trouble. Hot water.
I can help you, but you'll have to give up every power you've stolen. It's the only way.
Of course. Just take them all away. Take them all away, please.
Sid, you've saved the day.
And most importantly, you saved my crossword. Now you're getting it.
Right, you little.
They say sticks and stones may break my bones, but words could never hurt me. Didn't you know I'm unbreakable? You're sitting there like a wannabe. Behind the keyboard, acting hard. Trying to pretend that you're so large, when really you got nothing better to do. I really don't want to hear you talk at all. It's outrageous, irresponsible. Did your mama not teach you respect at all? Outrageous, it's horrible. No wonder you're starting to string so small. You're jealous, understandable. But what you're saying is laughable. Yeah, I'm so in my bubble. Your opinion don't really matter at all. Home alone, typing your lies. Wasting your time trying to hurt me. Hey, on my phone. Don't be surprised when I don't reply. I can see you trying to troll me. I feel sorry for you, 'cause it won't get through. I just ignore it. I know that you're trying to hurt me. I feel sorry for you. This is jealousy. I just ignore you. Going down, down, no messing around. You're going down, down, 'cause I wear the crown. Yeah, I can see you trying to troll me. I feel sorry for you, 'cause it won't get through. I just ignore it. Hey.
Am I getting smaller, or is that troll getting bigger?
I do not put my sister in danger because I can't fight my own internet battles.
Oh, it is getting bigger. That's Bobbins.
Stop it, I've got 9 more verses. Wait, that troll is getting bigger.
Spiggle's got nothing.
I'm not a lobster in a human costume. That's obvious, isn't it? McLaren! Give that back! Sure.
Oh, sorry. Thought you said throw it to the captain of the North.
No!
Ha ha ha, it's funny because that's exactly what you did to me before.
This is not the time. Give it back!
Now, I'm going to pass you Sid. Oh, no, I'm not.
You have to commit.
Got it. Come here, Sid.
Oh, son.
No! Stop! Stop!
You big sillies.
Hey, it shrunk. The troll.
No, it's growing, Sid. That's the whole point. No, it is getting smaller. No, it's growing again.
Now that we're all looking at it, now that we're all giving it attention.
It feeds on attention.
No, I don't. No, I don't.
It went after Nova because it wanted her attention, but that didn't work because Nova didn't care.
And you all said being massively self-centered was a bad thing.
So it went after me, and I did give it attention. I kept replying to it.
So... if we just ignore it...
It should shrink right down.
Okay, everyone, turn your backs. Ignore the troll.
Look at me! Look at me!
Which is actually quite hard when it's a massive troll and it's right there.
Look, I ignore stuff all the time. It's easy. Just think about your best memory.
No! No!
Like the time I won 199 whammies in one night.
Like the time I saved Nova from the jungle. Backfish's Vine's back!
I'm gonna write something mean! The time I fell asleep in the sofa shop all night long. So many footrests.
Stop it! The 8,000-page spreadsheet I made? The self-sorting desk tidier I designed? No. Stop it! Wait! Stop it! Nova's entire career, because I organised it all brilliantly. Thanks, sis. Can anyone hear anything? It worked!
Yes, I knew it was a wrap.
Ain't the big man anymore, are you?
Please don't squash me! Tin?
What? I stepped on its computer. Now it won't type anything. I'll just put this outside.
Outside's that way.
Acapella Nova is...
Released! Finally!
Everything can go back to normal.
What's going on?